Welcome to another video episode on my BeagleBoard with some stuff attached, and it's running Ubuntu Linux. The stuff attached to it are in black HDMI cable which is connected to this monitor, essential for booting. Then a serial cable, grey, which connects to a Minicom serial terminal on the laptop. Also a little green thing, SD card which serves as a hard disk, and USB cable which connects to this USB hub, connecting to right here USB to Ethernet converter, and also to the Robo interface from Fischertechnik, controlling in total this roller track, which starts right here, from all the way down, and which ends down here at the end of the chain track. Last time I added this looping, and it turned out that that didn't go as planned. I also added a worm gear which shifts these two tracks back and forth, and it turned out that by the mechanism here it stops the ball and then let go, or it doesn't let go, the ball just rolls on, but it gets not enough energy to go on in the looping. So I have to reconstruct this part of the track, and that is connected here. Another thing is that this should not automatically go, so I want to add a switch that I press, and upon pressing it just moves one way or the other way. And this is, by the way, the part that I want to insert right here, in order to get rid of the 90 degrees angle and make it as smooth as like here or like here. How to do things? Well, it will be a flexible construction like this one is, and like that one is, something like that. And in total, well, we'll see how far we can get, how things end up. First things first, this switch. The idea is, since the motor is here, to put it in here. And this kind of switch is of course digital. So the simple idea is to put it, to connect it to I1, input 1. So the red one then goes here, the green one goes here, and then all I need is a switch and it goes that way. Will that work out? Well, I have to program it yet. So let's see how it ends up and if it will work. Let's do that first and then go with this reconstruction, because that will take longer, I think. So let's see how that ends up. Alright, so this is the view of the entire situation with, of course, the BeagleBoard right here, and the whole installation. First thing I want to do is check the switch. Opening the interface again, yes, and now a simple touch. Oh, I see it's already on. I don't know if that is smart. I don't think it is, so I will have to move one cable right here. I think this is better. If on, then move. And that is the whole functionality of the diagnosis, to check if this is working, which it is. So it's input 1, so let's close the interface, and while 1 go on, yeah, sure. Then if T digital, I assume this is the correct way, is 1, and let's also see if this is, yeah, spaces, that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then T set motor, I said set motor, which is motor 2. Let's for now say right, speed 1. Let it sleep or go on for 1 second, because it is quite fast, this, so this is experimental, and that's it for now. No, it's not, because I have to set it stop. T set motor 2 0. I think that's better. And now I have to check it, of course. So let's do that. Invalid syntax. Ah, that's a nice one. Oh wait, if it is true. Yeah. That's not true either. Okay, I have to check this. Used it in various projects, but apparently I do something wrong. Alright, the answer to the error was quite obvious one. I missed a colon. Because it's Python. So still the equals to 1 doesn't really matter, and so let's roll. And then see, that's the whole point. That's 2 and 3, and let's quit. Yeah, 3 balls, that is correct. But now this one here has shifted this way, which is right. So if right is towards the engine, then I should give it the status right now. Status is 1. So I should actually say and status is 1. That means that else if copy paste and status is 0. Oh wait, this is not correct. Status should go here, status is 0. And then say here this, and we go copying here, and we say left. I say left. Is this all there is? I am 1 column off. So that means that this is 1 column off and the rest is correct. And apparently I need only 1 second. So that's good. And then status is 1. So now I only need to make sure that that same status it goes the other way. How to do that? Well, one rather simple thing. I make here status initially 0, and then it automatically goes the other way. Will this work out? We'll see. So pay attention to this one. Oops. Let's go. And oh, that's 1. So that's a bit short. Okay. That is rather short, 1 second. So it needs, say, 3 seconds. If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, it might be 4 seconds. And that is the fun of testing. So now let's do this the correct way. Alright. So run again. Press. I said press. It is not going anywhere. Why is it not going anywhere? One more time. Okay, I need to set prints here to the interface so I can see where it is, where it goes wrong. Right, before I go to reconstruction, I have added some print statements. So let's face where things go wrong. And that is not going anywhere for now. Motor doesn't do anything. This isn't good. This is no good. As long as digital is 0, it should go on and on and on, as it always did. Now this is quite strange. Okay, let me disable everything. Command out. Okay, let's go again. Okay, that was not it. It's not doing a thing. The pulse width modulation is being sent, no doubt about it. Assuming it, yeah, it is set to pulse width modulation, that is no doubt about it. But why isn't it doing anything? That is very weird. Oh, wait. Something I don't expect will be wrong, but exactly the why and the how I don't know. New mystery. Something that did work stopped working. And let's see if I even get contact. Yeah, I do get contact. Enough balls here. The motor just doesn't run. It is whining, and that's all it does. How about the diagnostics? Motor 1. That does work. Okay. So again, with everything on command. Good. Save. And go. Oh, please don't tell me I need to speed up. Not the same thing all over. Okay. This indeed doesn't work. This does work. And I start again, it doesn't work. I have a problem with speed 1. Okay. This test is to be continued. I need to reconstruct. This is not what I intend to do. No. This needs to be tested. Anyway, yeah, reconstruction. Right, like I said, this part needs to be reconstructed. So let's do that. I have this part which will connect this part with this part without the square part. So let's take this one gently out. Then let's take this one out gently. Alright. That's one thing. And I need some kind of a curve. So it will be something like this. But this way. Does this even work? Well, not in this position anyway. So I may have to move this one, which is not easy considering this. Oh, there's a hole in between, so I can move it. But now this part is aligned. The question is, does it work anyway? So holding it, let's see what we can get. Answer is no way. Okay, having it more like this then. And that's a no. Away from it then. Okay, this is experimenting as usual. And that's also a big no. Alright, that's going to be a challenge. Oops. Should I take one part out? This doesn't fit. So it doesn't even have enough kinetic energy from here to pass this with enough speed. So the idea is nice, but I'm afraid that's all for now. Right, let's put it right there then. It drops out. It's a dropout. So that takes some more thought than anticipated. Not a big surprise. Although I also notice here that this part is holding it back. So this is too flexible, and in this way it will never work. So that's a big challenge, how to construct this way, and this still has to be fixed somehow. Big question, how? Okay, now I fixed this part again, and when I hold it like this and I let it run, then it still gets not enough kinetic energy. It bumps against this one, which it didn't do before. So this part needs to get out as well, and then start from here. But first I need to fix this somehow, because if I fix this one will be fixed. Nice challenge. and I probably won't be able to hold it like this. Let's just test this. Oh, it will. Oh, that's nice. So I don't even have to hold it. Correction, I have to. So hold it like this, and even that doesn't work. Okay. Oh, it bumps into my fingers, that's the point. Yep. Okay, so some more improvements to deal with. Yeah. Okay, now I have elevated this one. I wanted to insert this one instead, but in order to get this one in place, that would be too high. So because this chain has to be separated here, and that would be a little bit too high, I think. So, but this is a nice one, and I need to get rid of this square angle. So using this part, it will be something like this, and then hopefully with a wider curve, probably it will get enough kinetic energy to get through the looping with some fix here. And I think that's for another time. So I have now a motor problem suddenly, and I have again a kinetic energy problem with this track, and all to get through the looping. So yeah, stuff to do and think about. Right, with 3 reconstructions, one here, one right here, and one down below here, with a motor that suddenly doesn't want to work on the slowest speed somehow. Yeah, I will leave it for this time. So, although some interesting things as well, like this looping that is not correct. So, oh, and this timing that I thought was correct, but needs way more seconds than I thought. And that leaves us another interesting thought just coming up. If it leaves right here on top, how long do I have before it has to be here? It's all the way down. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, I don't know. But considering the fact that I put it to speed 1 now, I may have to speed it up. Anyway, that is coming up for next time. So for now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. And you can also decide, please, if you like this, give a small donation, always appreciated. And you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter. and you can also hire me for advice. Please see my website for all information right down below under the video. So this is obviously going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.